Alright, this is a third part of replacing the iPad mini digitizer, and what we're going to do is we're going to separate the glass from the actual circuit. We really can't reuse it, so no real reason to risk the circuit. Alright. Glass is off. Now we're going to position this slightly so that it's more visible. Okay. Alright, so for this bit I've decided that I'm gonna tape the actual circuit to my table. That way it'll be mobile, and then I'll go ahead and detach the circuit. Alright. Thankfully this cable is fairly fragile, and the circuit itself, circuit board, is a little hardier than that. So we are going to start. So okay, I slid my little pry tool between the circuit and the harness, wire harness, or this cable, and separated them, and hopefully now it's a matter of detaching it. Alright. And again, it's not as easy as I thought it would be. The ribbon is falling apart. Okay. We got one separated. Let's see if we can do it this way. Okay. So actually a pry tool works a little better than the tweezers. And guys, this will need to be done in reverse to reattach the cable. There are small holes in the ribbon cable itself that allow you to touch the solder and warm it up a little bit so that it's so you can detach it. But it is no fun. Don't even think that digitizer panel can be salvaged. It cannot be salvaged. These contacts are not going to give themselves up easily. I thought maybe using a reflow, warm it up and get rid of it. Nope. It will not. You can damage the board and then it's gonna be bad. Okay, so we'll just peel them off one by one. Honestly, Apple, you did not have to do this. I'm as honest as I could be. You can make things serviceable, or at least a little more serviceable. I mean, iPad 2 is serviceable. iPad 3 is serviceable, I hope. I haven't had one yet. Okay. I hope there is a faster way to do this. I just haven't found one. Okay. And this iron I'm using, it's only 15-watt iron, and this circuit board is just disintegrating, just completely failing to hold any heat whatsoever. So I hope the new one is not going to be this bad. Come on. So I am not very happy right now, and primarily I'm not happy because I live in the United States, people, and in the United States time is money, and this is wasting a lot of my time. I mean a lot, way too much, way more than I was hoping to devote to this project. So far I have about an hour invested, and it's an hour of intensive work. Unlike a virus removal where you can set the computer to do the scan and you can relax a little bit. No way. Okay, that's a little better this way. This is complete attention and no, can't miss a beat. Alright, come on. I was listening to the news today, and the North Korea is apparently readying for nuclear war. And I was just wondering if Kim Jong-un has an iPad, and if he does, did he ever drop it? And if he did he get it fixed, or did he just buy a new one? That would be interesting to know, I think. Or is he just partying? This is not easy, people. Not easy. And thank God my hands are not shaking. Sometimes they don't listen, and they shake in the wrong moment. For something to go wrong. So far so good. Okay. This is bad. Really bad. One thing at a time. Oh, come on. One at a time. So we as humanity have designed and created a nice device that is not serviceable easily. Well, I shouldn't say not serviceable, I'm servicing it. Alright, come on. There may be an easier way. But just by the looks of how easily this board disintegrates, I don't think any other way would be much easier. I think it'll be any way you do this iPad thing, it will be hard. So first thing you do, whoever wants to try this, is you prepare the $300 or however much it costs for a new one. Put it in your pocket and start the repairs. Come on. Almost done. Couple more left. Last one. Alright. Let's see what we did. What we have accomplished. Okay, you. Okay. Not all of them got detached. So we have to attach this. There are some that are connected to the big wire on the inside, and they don't seem to want to warm up nicely. Okay, we'll clean it up a little here. Let's see. The iron away and keep peeling. Alright. Well, there we have it, folks. The only thing right now left is to put some flux on it and clean it up, clean up the contacts. Let's see. Okay, those are some leftovers. Okay, and if you don't have a microscope, do not attempt it. unless you're completely sure you have super vision, and I mean zoom vision, some kind of zoom vision. Because these things are so damn tiny. Oh, come on. I don't want to damage it, so we'll come back to it later. No? What? It's gotta be. You gotta come off. Little thingy. There. Thank you. Came off. Alright. Most of the other ones are clean. Okay. So the prep is done for the most part. As you can see, the board it's good. It will survive. So I'll just need to put a little flux on it and get it prepped. But as you can see, this board is hardy, not like the board that goes to digitizer. And overall, I think it's doable. So here we have it, the little boardy thing. Okay, I will see you in the next video. So this is the part where digitizer had been connected, and it cannot withstand the heat, so it's only can be used one way. One way. So when you get a new one, if you didn't attach it properly, not sure about something, gonna have to get a new one. Or I should say, if you damaged it. It cannot be desoldered, it cannot be saved. Thank you for watching, guys.